What if I told you that your Monday is decided before it even begins? Most people ruin it on the weekend without realizing it. Here's how to change that. Have you ever finished the weekend and still felt exhausted?
You promised yourself you'd rest. Instead, you stayed up late, spent hours on your phone,
And suddenly, Monday arrived. The truth is, a great week doesn't start on Monday. It starts with how you spend your weekend. Let's reset it together. Don't try to catch up on an entire week of sleep in one day. Instead, wake up close to your normal time. Get enough rest without completely changing your routine. Your body loves consistency. Step 2. Clean one space. Don't clean the whole house. Just choose one space. Your desk, your bedroom, or your kitchen. A clean space creates a calmer mind. Step 3. Move your body. Go outside, stretch, take a walk, ride a bike. Move for just 20 minutes. Your body will thank you. Wait. Before we move on, ask yourself one question. Did I actually rest this weekend, or did I just replace work with endless scrolling? Real rest doesn't just happen. It's something you choose. Step 4. Plan your week. Don't make a huge to-do list. Instead, write down only your 3 most important tasks. When Monday arrives, you'll already know what matters most. Step 5. Disconnect. Give your brain 1 hour without your phone. Read, cook, talk with family. Or simply enjoy the silence. Sometimes the best reset is doing less. Step 6. Prepare tomorrow. Lay out your clothes. Pack your bag. Prepare your lunch. These tiny actions take only a few minutes, but they make Monday feel much easier. Step 7. End with gratitude. Before you go to bed, think of 3 good moments from your weekend, big or small. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you didn't do to what truly mattered. Remember, a better Monday doesn't start on Monday. It starts with the choices you make this weekend. Choose just one habit from this video and try it today. Small changes, repeated every weekend, can make a big difference over time. If this video helped you, subscribe to Daily Reset for simple habits that help you feel calmer, stay focused, and live better, one reset at a time.